Luka Doncic is a Slovenian professional basketball player who currently plays for the Dallas Mavericks in the NBA. Since his debut in 2018, Doncic has quickly become one of the league's top players, earning numerous accolades and establishing himself as a rising star. In this blog post, we will delve into Luka Doncic's net worth and investments, starting with his early career and rise to fame, and exploring his current sources of income and investments. Early career and rise to fame. Luka Doncic was born in Slovenia in 1999 and began playing basketball at a young age. He made his professional debut at age 16 with Real Madrid, one of the most successful basketball clubs in Europe. During his time with Real Madrid, Doncic won multiple championships and individual awards, including the EuroLeague MVP award in 2018. In 2018, Doncic declared for the NBA draft and was selected third overall by the Atlanta Hawks. He was later traded to the Dallas Mavericks on draft night, where he has played ever since. In his rookie season, Doncic was named the NBA Rookie of the Year, becoming the youngest player to win the award since 1975. Sources of income. Luka Doncic's success on the court has led to several sources of income. One of the main sources of income for Doncic is his NBA salary. He signed a rookie contract worth $32.7 million over 4 years with the Mavericks, and he is set to become a restricted free agent in 2022. In addition to his NBA salary, Doncic has also made a fortune through endorsement deals. He has signed lucrative deals with companies such as Nike, Jordan Brand, and Panini America. According to Forbes, Doncic's endorsement deals have earned him over $8 million in his career so far. Luka Doncic has been very successful with his investments, particularly in the tech industry. He has invested in several startups, including the Slovenian AI company Viron Technology and the Israeli mobile app development company SuperUp. Doncic has also invested in Nifty Gateway, a digital art marketplace that allows users to buy and sell NFTs. Doncic has also invested in real estate properties. In 2019, he purchased a $2.7 million mansion in Preston Hollow, a neighborhood in Dallas. The 9,000-square-foot home features a basketball court, gym, and home theater. Luka Doncic's net worth is estimated to be around $40 million, according to Celebrity Net Worth. However, this estimate may not take into account all of Doncic's sources of income and investments. His net worth is likely to continue to grow as he expands his business ventures and continues to earn a high salary in the NBA. Conclusion. Luka Doncic is a rising star in the NBA, with a bright future ahead of him. He has already established himself as one of the league's top players and has earned a fortune through his NBA salary and endorsement deals. Doncic's investments in tech startups and real estate properties show that he is also a savvy businessman with a keen eye for opportunities. As he continues to develop his game and expand his business ventures, it will be exciting to see what the future holds for Luka Doncic.